Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making one pan baked potato and chicken. Thank you for stopping by, so let's get started. For the list of ingredients, kindly click on the description below. Here I'll be using blended onion, ginger, garlic and pepper to marinate the chicken, and also grinded coriander and fennel seed. But you can use any spice you like. You can use garlic powder, onion powder, and so on. Now I'll season with salt, turmeric, fresh thyme, and smoked paprika. Okay. Now mix it properly and let it marinate for a minimum of 1 hour, though I left this for 24 hours. Then I'll cover with a cling film and place it in the fridge. Okay. Now grease my baking pan with olive oil. You can use vegetable oil just to prevent the potato and chicken from sticking to the pan. Pour in my peeled and diced potato. Season with salt. I'm not seasoning the potato with pepper because I already have enough of that. My chicken is already well spiced. Then I'll add diced carrots, sprinkled with a little olive oil. Then also season with Suya spice. Here you can use any spice you like. I like the taste of Suya spice, so that's what I'm using. Okay, then I'll add the marinated chicken. And also the marinade. This is good. I'll bake at 190 degrees Celsius for an hour 30 minutes until the potato chicken is well baked. After 45 minutes, I'll turn the chicken so both sides are properly baked. Okay. So here is our delicious baked chicken and potato. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also do have a wonderful week. Bye.